friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay friends, welcome to my brand new episode. Okay, today I also have a very cool topic. Okay, so you know what's my topic today? This is like everyone knows about this so much because we enjoy doing this so much, and that is dream, right? We love dreaming so much, right? So in dreaming, the best thing is that we don't have studies or we don't have exams, right? So dreaming is very cool job. So actually I think everyone dreams, yeah, right? So dreaming is like very interesting, and it can be actually what fascinating, terrifying, or it can be exciting, right? So let's ask my callers also how they know about dreams. So okay, let's go to our first caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Kalyani.
Hi Kalyani.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Even I'm fine. Okay Kalyani, you went out yesterday, you told no, maybe I'll go out.
No, because we were busy.
Oh, your parents
It's
are
a
busy.
holiday.
Okay.
Yeah, because my father had duty at night.
Yeah, your
Okay.
father had duty?
Yeah.
Oh, my father had holiday.
Okay.
Okay, so Kalyani, do you like seeing dreams?
Yeah.
Yeah, so tell me one dream you saw. One big, good dream. You remember?
So many dreams, but I don't remember.
At least one dream which is very funny, or the one which you love the most.
Nothing I remember.
Nothing you remember?
No.
Okay, what do you dream actually? Like you get chocolate or you fall. What do you dream actually?
I dream about I'm playing with my friends always.
Yeah, you're playing with your friends always and no school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't need studying, just playing.
Yeah, only playing every time.
Yeah.
24 hours. Yeah, right? That will be cool, no?
Yeah.
I wish it came true. But actually, even that is also boring, something we have to learn also, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, Kalyani.
Yeah.
Okay, Kalyani, do you see some ghost and all in your dreams?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So, that time you start crying and all?
No, from my sleep, I just wake up.
No, you don't wake up. In the early morning, you'll start, I saw a ghost and all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you're a very brave girl.
Thank you.
Okay, so Kalyani, today let's go for a question, or you want to play a game?
I want question.
You want a question? You want a riddle or a GK?
Riddle.
You want a riddle. Okay. So I'll give you this riddle. Which bet can never be won?
Sorry?
Which bet, B-E-T, can never be won?
Can you give clue?
Clue. Yeah, it starts with A,
Okay.
okay, and the word bet, B-E-T, is there in the word. It starts with A, and the word B-E-T, bet, is there in that. Yeah, 7 words, okay?
Okay. 7 letters.
Yeah, 7 letters, sorry. Quick,
I give up.
you give up, you don't know?
No.
Array. So, only I think Very less words. Okay, I'll tell you later the answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so try thinking more. If you know, then you call me again and tell, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Kalyani, you have your sister, right?
Huh?
Your sister is there?
Yeah.
Okay, can you give it to your sister?
Okay.
Okay.
Meenakshi? Meenakshi? Hello?
Hello, hi Meenakshi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, Meenakshi. So now your sister talked to me. Now you should talk, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Meenakshi, can you sing for me a song quickly?
Huh?
Can you sing for me a song?
Okay.
Okay.
A rhyme is enough?
Yeah, a rhyme is enough.
Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, and like a diamond in the sky.
Very good. You sing so well.
Thank you.
Who taught you this? Your nursery teacher or your school teacher?
My nursery teacher.
Your nursery teacher. Okay, so in your nursery and all you had so many friends, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So now Meenakshi and Kalyani, you should call me again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so now Kalyani and Meenakshi had called me and I asked Kalyani a question but she could not answer. So this is the question, okay guys, if you know you should call me and tell me fast, okay? So the question is this: which bet can never be won? Which bet can never be won? Okay, the bet spelling is B-E-T and it is there in the same answers word. Okay, so try answering the question fast and call me. Okay, so now let's come to our dreams. Okay, so dreams is like I told you, it's very interesting and we see different type of emotions, right? Like actually, you know how our dreams comes, like sometimes like small children and all, okay, like me and all. Actually, I see the dreams like which is a bit scary. Okay, like if I watch a movie, okay, a scary movie, okay, then at night then I will never get sleep, okay, because I'm kind of a bit scary, okay. Even me and my brother, okay, we both sit together and watch. I call my brother for a name so I don't get scared. Okay, then at night then I'll never get sleep because I'll be always thinking about that character and all. And then after a long time when I sleep, again I think about that because then the next day morning that will be my dream. So it happens like this, right? Some movies which we see, the characters which we see, maybe that will come in a dream and all. Like these small children and all, mostly they will be in a wonderland, like Alice in a Wonderland. Okay, so like that only even these small kids will be, even they'll see something related to cartoon and superheroes and all, so they will see like that. And these adults and all, right, they will see like big stories and stuff and all. Okay, so now we have a caller again. Let's ask. Hello. Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Hello.
Hello, hi, what's your name?
Devika.
Devika. Hi Devika, which grade are you studying in?
I'm in 7th.
You're in 7th. Okay, which school?
New Indian Model School.
Sorry?
New Indian Model School.
Okay, New Indian Model. So, who all are there in your home?
My father, my mother, my brother and me.
Okay, so what's your brother's name?
Srihari.
Srihari.
Yeah.
Okay, nice name you both. Devika and Srihari. Okay, so
Yeah.
Srihari is in which grade?
He's in 3rd.
He's in 3rd. Okay, younger brother. So,
Yeah.
is he very naughty in the house?
Sorry?
Is he very naughty? Or he fights
No,
with you?
not that much.
Okay, he don't do that much. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, Devika, do you like seeing
Yeah.
dreams?
Sorry?
Do you like seeing dreams?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like seeing? Okay, I'll give you a task. Tell me fast
Okay.
a quick incident or a dream which you saw.
Mm,
The one which you can't ever forget.
I went to a zoo.
Sorry?
I went to a zoo.
Okay.
Then I saw many animals around.
Animals around, okay.
Yeah.
So that was your dream.
Yeah.
So people see like these dreams also. I know even I've seen some like these in, yeah. So do you see some, very fun, entertaining dreams and all?
No, not that much.
Not that much, but terrifying dreams?
Sorry?
Terrifying,
I can't hear
scary dreams?
you. No.
No. Only fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Devika,
Yeah?
in India, where are you?
I'm in Malappuram.
Malappuram.
Kerala.
Okay, Kerala. Okay, Malappuram. So, aren't you going to India?
Yeah, I went and came.
Sorry?
I went and came.
You went and came. When you went?
Yeah. I went first July.
Okay, 1st July. So, where you went in India? Malappuram.
Yeah.
Kerala.
Malappuram and
Okay.
yeah, Palakkad. My mother is from
Malappuram.
Palakkad. And my father is from Malappuram.
Okay, so Palakkad also, no? So, which is the favorite thing which you like in Kerala? Which is the best thing?
Best. There are so many
So many things.
animals and all.
Animals, okay.
Then the butterfly also.
Butterflies, okay. I think you're a nature lover.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, when you go there, right, your cousins all are there? Are your cousins
Yeah.
there? Okay,
Actually,
so
when I
you,
go, they are having school.
okay, so you can play a lot with them and all.
Not?
Sorry?
I did not hear you.
So, when you go to India and all, you can play with your cousins and all over them?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's really quite fun, right?
Yeah.
So, now you have to move away your enjoying time and you have to study, no?
No, actually my exams are over.
Exams are over, okay.
Yeah.
So, now tension free, no?
Yeah.
Actually, you can enjoy a whole vacation,
Yeah.
but I can't.
Yeah, exams are, they're having exams.
I have exams. Oh. Okay, so Devika, do you want to play a game or you want a riddle or a GK?
Again.
You want a game. Okay, what game?
Yeah.
Dictionary game or connection
Connection.
game? Connection game. Okay, so let's play. So 10 words,
Okay. Huh?
10 words.
Okay.
Okay, so you start.
Bat.
Bat. T
Yeah.
for tall.
Sorry?
Tall. L.
L. Lemon.
Lemon. N.
Yeah.
Nougat.
Sorry?
Nougat. T.
No. T.
Yeah.
Tree.
Trees. S. Okay. Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah. E.
Elephant.
Elephant. T.
Yeah.
Tiger.
Tiger. Rabbit.
Rabbit. T. Tennis.
Tennis. S. 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 Sister.
Sister. Okay. So R, no?
Yeah.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Okay, so now it's already 10 words over. So you end fast with a name. Something.
Sorry?
Rubber. R. Tell me fast something.
Yeah. Rat.
Rat. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. You played very well, okay?
Okay.
Actually,
thank
it is like a rapid fire game. It is very quick.
you. Yeah.
Okay, so listen, before I had asked another caller a question, riddle, okay? So just try if you know this, okay?
Okay.
Which bet can never be won?
Alphabet.
Yeah, correct answer. Alphabet, yeah, it starts with A and it has 7 words. I mean 7 letters. Yeah, so thank you so much. You have
Actually,
told the
I saw.
correct answer.
Okay.
Okay, so I think so Kalyani heard it now. The answer is alphabet, okay? Okay, thank you so much, Devika. So I hope so you'll call me again. And what are
Yeah.
your hobbies actually?
My hobbies are reading, then listening to songs.
Okay, so I think you can sing song.
Okay.
Okay.
Lali, 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 no. Maramani, mandara manare, manjari manare, janjare manare, pudu manare, punnara manare, yellow manare, kunyu manare. Only that much.
Okay, very good. You sang very well. I liked it. Actually, I love this song and this movie and all. You saw the song? Movie?
No.
No. Okay, fine. I saw it. Actually, I like the movie, but I love the song so much.
Okay. Yeah, me too.
Okay, fine. Anyways, Devika, thank you for calling. I hope so you'll call me again.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, so call me on Sunday, okay? Okay, so bye. Okay, so now Devika had called me and I think she sang for me a very beautiful song. Not I think actually, she sang a very beautiful song for me. I hope so even if you are a singer, very good singer, then please call me and sing for me, okay? So because I always enjoy listening to music. Okay, so now let's come back to our dreams. Okay, so I was telling you dreams, right? This, right, dreams, actually I was telling you, small children also dream about cartoons and all. So this actually, sometimes a dream come true. Like people tell that, elderly people tell that the dreams which we see in the early morning come true. And I think rarely some cases have came true for me. Like me me tripping and falling, like that some. Okay, so they tell that if you see a dream, you should not tell it out. If you want that dream to happen truly, so you should not tell it out. And so many beliefs, so much. Okay, so this is the most one which I know, these both. Okay, there are so many others which my grandmother and all tell me you should sleep well and all, so stuff like that all are there. So now let's come to another caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Shreya.
Hi Shreya,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine. How are you?
Even I'm fine. Okay Shreya, which grade are you studying in?
I'm in 6th.
You're in 6th. Okay, which school?
JSS Private School.
JSS private school. Okay, so do you like that school actually?
Yeah, I like my school.
Yeah, okay, you like your school. So do you like studying so much?
Not so much, but I enjoy studying.
So you enjoy studying. Okay, so today's my topic is dreams. So do you like dreaming so much?
I like dreaming. I like dreaming good dreams, okay? Not bad dreams like ghosts and everything like that.
Okay, not that ghost and all, but only good dreams, huh?
Yeah.
But actually at the same time you dream about bad things also.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay, so do you like what? Okay, I'll give you a task again, okay? So can you tell me the best dream you have ever seen till now?
Okay, I met God.
You met God. Okay, what a good dream, right? Thank you.
And I asked him to, let all of the time be vacations.
Oh,
No studying, no school, nothing.
okay, I think that is a good one. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so I think you dream much better than me.
What happened?
No,
Tell
because
me
I-
your dream, one dream which you saw.
Okay, nearby I saw going to India and about snakes and all, I saw snakes
Okay, India
all
is full
behind.
of snakes, right?
Yeah, I mean that is very creepy, okay? I think some days before, okay, I saw when I went to India, behind my house there was full of snakes and I was fighting with the snakes. And so
Okay.
okay, so anyways, I love your dream, okay? I hope so
Okay,
even I
thank
can
you.
see one dream like that.
Yeah, because I was sleep. I was when I went to sleep, I was thinking of God only because the next day was my exam. And I
Oh,
was thinking of God. Oh God, get me good marks and everything like that. That's why I got that dream.
okay. So it happens like that, right? The thing which we always think about in the whole day, like maybe we might
Yeah.
got caught for some lies we did. So the whole thing we'll think about that the whole time. Then we'll see a dream related to that. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So Shreya, that was really funny. Okay, fine. So Shreya, I think you like singing songs.
Yeah, I like singing songs. I'm studying singing.
Okay, you're studying.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm studying to sing. I'm going to this singing classes.
You're going to singing classes. Okay, so do you love singing songs?
Yeah, I like. That's why I'm going. Before I used to like to dance. Now my full concentration in singing. I hated dance now.
Okay, now you're starting to hate dancing.
Yeah.
Okay, actually the good thing is about music is like it gives you mental peace.
Yeah.
So it's good. Okay, so can you sing for
And
me?
it is very easy to make my sister sleep fast.
Aha, acha. Okay, so you have a baby sister.
Yeah, 2 years old.
Only 2 years old. What's her name?
Sridha.
Shraddha. Okay, so I think that'll be quite good point.
Yeah, when my mother has work, I used to make her sleep. So that's a good thing.
So okay, I think so every time she listens to your music and sleeps.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so can you sing for me a song?
Okay. I'll sing Lali Lali with that girl sang before, okay?
Okay, fine.
Because I'm not prepared with any other song.
Yeah, okay, but next time when you call me, you should sing for me a very good song.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I'll sing another song, okay?
Yeah, okay, fine.
बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 कहीं दूर चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 कहीं दूर हाथ से ये जैसे अनसुने से कैसे आदरी नीरों को कोई नूर बन के तितली दिल उड़ा उड़ा उड़ाए कहीं दूर. That's all.
Okay, very good. I think you enjoy while you sing songs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Did you see Chennai Express?
Yeah, I saw.
Okay, I think so. You love the movie?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, okay, you like it. Okay, so now you sang for me also very good song. So now, do you want to play a game or you want a riddle or a GK?
I want to play a game.
You want to play a game? Okay, so we already played a connection game. So do you want to go for an atlas?
Okay, we'll go for an atlas.
Okay, so 10 countries, huh?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Start.
I'll start. Okay,
Yeah.
Singapore.
Singapore, E. Europe,
Europe. E again. England.
England, D. Delhi,
Delhi. I. Indonesia.
Indonesia, A. Australia,
Australia. A. Asia.
Asia, A. Ahmedabad, D.
D. Doha.
Doha, A. Africa,
Africa. A. Austria.
Austria. Okay, fine. Now it's already 10 words, 10 countries. Okay.
So fast, right?
Yeah, so fast. Okay. Anyways, you played very well. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I think you're quite interesting.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you select that?
No, I think you're quite interesting. Very cool.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I hope so you'll call me again, okay?
Yeah, I'll call. I'll
Okay,
call you.
Shreya, so-
I used to call to Kiddo Kids before, but I didn't call too long because I went to India.
Okay, so you went to India already and you came back.
Yeah, I was a daily caller of Kiddo Kids.
Oh, is it? So now I want you to be again my daily caller.
Okay.
Okay, so Shreya, you should call me again on Sunday. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now my Shreya had called me and she told she was a daily caller, so I hope so again she will be our daily caller. So again I'll wait for her call. So now let's come back to our dreams again. Okay, so I was telling that dreams, everybody dreams. So actually there are some beliefs I told you which everybody believe, and some people don't believe in these things. And another thing is that these dreams, right? Even babies dream, like men, women, and these babies also dream. That means everyone dream. But there are some people who tell that no, I don't dream because I don't know why, because I don't dream. No, but that is all lie. There are so many people who dream. And like some people like who have mentally disorders, there are some people who won't dream. Okay, like them who have mentally disorder problems, they don't dream. Okay, so now let's again come to our caller. Hello. Hello, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Aishat.
Sorry?
Aishat.
Aisha. Hello, can you speak a little more louder? Aisha.
Yeah,
Okay, hi Aisha, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so very cute. Which grade are you studying in, Aisha?
KG2.
KG2. Okay, so Aisha, do you have a sister or a brother?
No.
No. Okay. Aisha, can you sing for me a small rhyme?
Yeah.
Okay.
Head, shoulders, in front of, two eyes, one, two ears, one mouth, one nose, shoulders, in front of, head, shoulders, in front of. Thank you.
Okay, very good. You sang so well.
Okay.
Okay, very cute, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
Aisha, which school are you studying in?
High school.
Sorry?
English high school.
Okay, so you have so many friends, no?
Yeah.
So what is your best friend's name? Who is your... Huh? Okay, and? Hana, okay. So these both are your
Yeah.
best... Okay, so
Yeah.
these three are your best friends?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm telling a very big hi to your friends, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Ashab, where do you like going outside for playing and all?
Yeah.
Yeah, so for Eid, where you went out?
Boating.
You went for boating.
Yeah.
Okay, you love going for boating?
Yeah.
It is fun, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So Ashab, so again you should call me and you should sing for me very cute rhymes, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ashab should call me again on Sunday, okay? Hello?
Okay.
Okay, bye. Okay, now Ashab had called me. I think he's a very cute boy and he's only in KG2, so he's small boy. Okay, so I think we had a lot of fun with him also, right? Small boys. So I could not ask him dreams, right? Because he won't be remembering anything so much. Okay, so let's come back again. So dreams, right? I was telling you. Now I want to tell you, these dreams, they last for around a long time or less time. See, like these dreams are last around 5 to 20 minutes. Okay, there are people who dream for a very longer period and a shorter period. Like this, there are difference between these men and women. So like the main difference is that the men, they dream for a short period, and the women, they dream for a longer period. So that is the most important, I mean the most common difference between them. Then another thing is that these I told you, right, it lasts for 5 to 20 minutes, but there are so many people that in the, you know, they forget their dreams. There are people who forget their dreams. They won't even remember what dream they saw, like me. Okay, but there are people who remember their dreams also, but there are some people who forget their dreams also. So I have both them. Okay, I remember and I forget. So one thing which I forgot is, like, you know, in the early morning and all, I see a big, very, you know, dangerous dream and all. Okay, very scary dreams and all. Then I will be wanting that I'll tell to my mother. So in the early morning, after I get ready and all, when I go and when I'll sit there and talk to my parents, you know, by that time, no, I'll forget what all happened. I'll forget what all I saw and all, right? So that's a bit creepy, and I forget everything. So that's quite cool. Okay, but I think that I want to tell, but I forget everything. So I'll tell next time, I'll tell you. So again I go. Okay, so let's come to a caller. Hello. Hello, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Fatima.
Hi Fatima.
Hi.
Which grade are you studying in?
I'm in 5th grade.
Sorry, 5th grade.
Yeah.
Okay, so which school?
James Abrahamic High School.
Gems, okay. So Fatima, now Eid,
Yeah.
Eid, na? So what all is special for Eid?
Eid, I think we went outside, that's all.
Okay, so on Eid, you went out or you had party in your house?
We went out.
Okay, so did you enjoy so much after going out?
Yeah.
Where you went out?
Yesterday I went to a park and beach.
Park and beach and all. Okay, so did you celebrate with your cousins and all?
No.
No. Okay, so did you take fasting?
Huh?
Did you take fasting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, even you were fasting?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so Fatima, do you have a sister or a brother?
Yeah. I have 2 sisters.
2 sisters. Okay, what are their name?
One is Aishat and one is Aminat.
Aishat and Aminat. Okay, which grade are they in?
The Aishat is in KG2.
Okay.
And Aminat, she is only 8 months.
Okay, so for them both, a big hi. Tell them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Fatima, do you
Yeah.
see dreams?
Yeah.
Do you like seeing dreams?
Yeah.
Is there
Good
something?
dreams.
Yeah, only good dreams, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad dreams.
No.
No. Okay, so Fatima, tell me
Yeah.
one scary dream you saw. Scary dream.
Scary dreams. Like I went on a picnic and I lost my way.
Okay.
And I reached a ghost house or something like that, and so many things happened over there. Like ghost was following me like that and all.
Okay, fine. This is kind of creepy, right? Scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I have seen something like that and all. Ghost follow me, and I so much like that. Okay, so I think you love more of good dreams, huh? Much better than scary dreams.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so Fatima, do you want to play a game or you want a question? A riddle or a GK?
Game.
Huh?
I want to play a game.
Game. Okay, what game? You want a connection game or atlas or a dictionary game?
Dictionary game.
Dictionary game. Dictionary game is like I will tell you a word's meaning and you have to try to guess.
Sorry.
I'll tell you a word's meaning and you have
Yeah.
to try to guess which word
The
is
word.
that.
Okay.
Okay, so this one I'll give you unwilling to work or use energy.
Unwilling to work and use energy.
Yeah, unwilling to work or use energy. I think I'll give you a clue, okay? Everyone are very dash. They don't want to go for playing out.
Everybody is lazy.
Yeah, very good. They're very lazy. So lazy is the
Thank you.
answer.
Okay.
Okay, so they're very, they don't want to use their energy, no? They're very boring people. I think so. Fatima is not like that.
No.
No, you're an active person.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. So you have answered my dictionary game correctly, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, so Fatima, you should call me again and tell me, okay, more things and all
Okay.
about you. Okay,
Ah.
so aren't you going to India?
Yeah.
When are you going?
I'm going in August.
August, which date? When?
August 15th.
August 15th.
15. Yeah.
Okay, so when you will come back?
That on August last.
August last. So, do you have exams?
Yeah. After
Yeah,
the
no.
school year open.
Yeah, so you studied everything, prepared?
Yeah. Little more is there.
Yeah, little more is there. So, you'll complete that, no? Before 15th.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think 2 weeks or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so
Only that's me.
yeah, in
Only 15
India.
days I have.
Okay, so in India, where are you?
In India, Kerala,
Kerala, where?
Thrissur.
Thrissur. Okay, so have you seen Thrissur Puram?
Huh?
You have seen Thrissur Puram?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not seen, so I have to see.
Did you went to India?
I didn't go. I'll go on the next month.
Okay, wow. You finish your studies and everything?
Yeah, I finished.
Okay.
Yeah, but some more is left now. Not
Yeah.
completely.
Okay.
Okay, so Fatima, you should call me again, okay?
Yeah.
So I think so you'll call me on Sunday.
Yeah, I'll try.
Around for 1 hour, I think you can stay without studying. For 1 hour, you give rest for the studies.
Okay.
Okay, and you should watch 4 to 5, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now Fatima had called me and she told she's in Thrissur, but she had seen Thrissur Puram, but I have not seen, okay? I have to see. Okay, so now can we go for a rhyme? Okay, we'll go fast for a rhyme and we'll come back. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.